Hey everyone, today we're going to be talking about fast and easy ways to make money online as a teenager. Now, if you're like me and you're a college student, or maybe you're even a student in high school, you may find yourself in a spot like me where it is hard to balance a work life and a school life and even a social life. Just all of these lifestyles, it is hard to be juggling education as well as working. So I'm going to talk about some ways that you can be making money online as a teenager. And the best thing about growing up in the time that we are growing up in is that we have the internet easy and accessible. We have the internet right in front of us at all times. When you go to school, when you're at home, relaxing, like it's always there. So in order to do these jobs, you're gonna need either phone or a laptop and the internet, and ideally maybe even a bank account. And let me say, we're not going to go over stupid jobs such as filling out surveys that you'll only get like 1 penny for. We're going to be going through real and legit jobs. So let's get right into it. The first way that I'm going to be talking about is making money through editing videos. Now, in the digital age, there are so many people that are constantly making videos and uploading them online. They tend to hire people to edit their videos for them as their time has become more minimal because they're trying to manage this business that they own. So when it comes to editing videos, you can find clients on platforms such as Freelancer, Upwork, and Fiverr. For example, if you are charging $100 per 10-minute video that you are editing, if you edit just one video a day, you can get $3,000 in 1 month. A tip that I have found is that if you edit the first 3 videos that you are editing for clients for free, then you can get some great reviews to really start out your platform as an editor. Now you may be thinking, where can I edit these videos? For free. To get started, it's always nice to have a free software to edit videos just so you can dip your toes in the water, really get a feel of how to edit videos in the first place. So some softwares would include Shortcut, OpenShot, Canva Video Editor, CapCut, which is one of my favorite free editing platforms, and HitFilm Express. Now if you're thinking, well, I kind of want to be the person that is making videos even, then the next job I want to get into is running a faceless YouTube channel. For an example, my brother has a channel called Make Money Matt if you want to check him out, and he actually first started on YouTube by running faceless YouTube channels. And I want to say faceless YouTube channels are really good if you are more introverted and you just don't want to present or if you just don't even want to show your face on a camera, this is for you. So the best way to run a faceless YouTube channel would be downloading videos and repurposing them and then monetizing these videos. There are so many niches that you can find on YouTube, and a niche is just a specific interest or hobby that you want to focus your channel around. For an example, you could make a channel about health or beauty or wellness, and some of the niches that I personally recommend would include health, finance, relationships, and happiness. For an example of what a faceless YouTube channel would look like, I found a channel called Brandy Dose, and if you want to look that up, you can. And basically, they just make faceless YouTube videos about psychology. And you might be thinking, well, how do they create these videos without filming anything? Well, they use stock footage. Some places that you can find stock footage to use in your own videos include Pixabay, Pexels, and Storyblocks. For your own YouTube videos, to find subjects and topics that you want to make your own YouTube channel videos about, you can search a specific niche on YouTube and see what is really doing well. And what you're going to do is see these videos that are doing well, and you're going to model your videos after these videos because we want to model what is working. So when you're making these videos, we talked about how to use stock footage and where to find it. For writing scripts, Dynalist is a great place where you can jot down ideas and organize your videos. And then you can run these scripts through a website called Copyscape to make sure that you're not plagiarizing anybody. And then yes, copyright is a thing that we need to be aware of. So the best place to find music is just through the YouTube Studio audio library. All of their audios there are going to be completely copyright free, and you can just download these and use them in your videos. And then when it comes to voicing over your videos, doing the talking part of the videos, you don't even have to have a fancy microphone. I mean, you could get one, of course, like on Amazon, or you can just even use your phone speaker. And I still see a lot of big YouTubers just using their phone as speakers. And if you don't want to be voicing over your videos, you could find somebody on Fiverr and hire them that way to do the voiceovers videos for you. And that can range from about $10 to $20 for a 10-minute video. And then when it comes to making thumbnails, which is what gets our viewers to click on our videos, you can use softwares such as Canva, Snappa, and PaintNet. And these are all free softwares, so these are really good options. So I'm going to show you 2 thumbnails, and you're going to tell me which one you would rather click on. So we have thumbnail 1 and thumbnail 2. Even though these thumbnails weren't shown for very long, you still get a good idea of what these videos are and the quality of the videos that they are going to be. Thumbnail number 1 got over 200,000 views in just 1 month. Well, on the other hand, thumbnail 2 got around 700 views in over 6 months. So what makes a good thumbnail? An important factor that goes into thumbnails is that text is going to be big and kept to a minimum. Nobody wants to click on a really wordy thumbnail because when we go on our computers and we're going to go watch videos, we just look at something that clicks in our brain. So you want your text to be big and very easy to read. You want to make sure that the text, as I said, easy to read or legible. So adding contrast behind the text to make sure that viewers can read what it actually says is a good idea. And one of my best pieces of advice into making thumbnails is making sure that they're easy to understand. You want the viewers to understand your thumbnail in just the snap of a finger, like 2 seconds. For example, search top 10 tech on YouTube. Now when you do so, you can see that all of these thumbnails that pop up are very easy to understand, and that's what you want with your videos. Now to actually see how our YouTube channel videos are doing, you can go to your latest video performance and see this. And then with this, you're gonna wanna constantly keep improving. So you're gonna see what is working for your channel and you're gonna repeat that. Another tip I have for you guys is that you can go on Fiverr and you can search for voiceovers, video editing, and script writing, and you can get people to do this work for you. So in total on Fiverr, it can cost around $100 to produce 1 video. And this is if you get to the point where you have the money to put into the YouTube channel, or if your channel has grown and you just don't have enough time anymore to sit down and make these videos yourself. This is a good option. Now let's talk about growing your YouTube channel. You want to have a lot of fast cuts and you want the wording to flow together well in your videos. If you have a lot of pauses, it'll make the viewer less interested in what you're saying. You want to always be constantly increasing your viewer watch time. For an example, it is good to have around a 60% view duration. Okay, so there's a Faceless YouTube channel. Now we're going to talk about a personal YouTube channel. This is good if you are an extrovert and you want to present yourself on camera and you want people to see you. I mean, even if you are an introvert, you can still get into talking to a camera and practicing. One thing I like about getting on camera is that even though I'm necessarily kind of an introvert, I get to practice my speech skills in front of a camera, which is something that I find to be useful. And it takes so many videos to truly get comfortable in front of a camera and presenting yourself. So you kind of learn something every day about yourself. And like I said, this is a skill that I can just carry with myself for the rest of my life, which is a good thing. So a lot of the same stuff that I was talking about earlier are still applicable to a personal YouTube channel. Now, when you have a personal YouTube channel, it is sometimes easier to get like brand deals or affiliate marketing. It is easier to sell these products that you are promoting because you have a sense of trust with your viewers almost. So there you go. A personal YouTube channel is not only beneficial for yourself, but you can have this sense of trust and community with your viewers watching, all while showing your creativity and practicing speaking. So as I mentioned when I was talking about the personal YouTube channels, I mentioned something called affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is selling a product, and then when somebody buys this product, you get a cut of the money. So here's how this essentially work. You can sign up for an affiliate network and you can get these products from places such as digistore24.com. You can go through the Amazon affiliate program. You can get them through clickbank.com, or you can get them by searching a subject and then affiliate programs such as beauty affiliate programs. So for my example that I chose, I'm going to be talking about digistore24.com. So through this, you're going to set up a payout account. And here through your affiliate marketing, you can choose if you get paid through something like PayPal or just directly deposit it into your account. And then what you're going to do is you're going to choose a specific niche or product. You're going to go to Marketplace and Digistore. And I'm just going to say that the best niches that I have found fall under wealth, happiness, and health products. Once you have this product that you are going to sell and be an affiliate for, you're going to generate a link for this product. Once you have this link, you're going to promote this product on a traffic source. And the best traffic sources would include Instagram, blogs, and YouTube, our best friend. So you can be promoting these products through YouTube. And with Instagram, you can make an optimized Instagram profile and put your promo link that you have in the link in your bio. To get more traffic to your Instagram account, you can buy shout-out or also just grow your account organically with the use of tags and posting daily. With blogs, you can use WordPress to write articles about your niche that you are selling. Now, to find article ideas, Ubersuggest is a free tool to help you do this. And make sure to write about highly searched subjects as you want to gain traction to your blogs to get people to click on your affiliate link. Another newer place that I found affiliate marketing is through TikTok. If you have around like 1,000 subscribers, this is where you can team up with TikTok Shop and promote an item. And then when people buy through your link, you get a cut of this money. Now what you're going to want to do here is you're going to find what traffic sources are working for you. And then you're going to simply just do more of this, such as if the Instagram affiliate marketing is working the best, continue with this option. You can also use campaign key links to promote your videos. And then, like I said, you're going to want to see which traffic sources are getting the most traction and where people are buying the most products, and stick with that. The next job I want to talk about is photo editing. There are so many different businesses that constantly need photos to be edited for them. Either they just don't know how to do this or they don't have the time to be doing it themselves. They will hire photo editors. So to make money within photo editing, you're going to need to determine a niche. And what I mean by niche is the type of work that you're going to be doing within photo editing. Now this could be editing YouTube thumbnails, YouTube logos, Instagram logos, or Instagram posts, and sales page images, or even Facebook covers. There's so many different niches and options to choose from within photo editing. So either you know how to do photo editing, or you can just always search up on YouTube how to edit photos based on what tool you're using. Some free options for photo editing softwares would include Canva, which is one of my favorites for thumbnails, Snappa, which is very good for online projects or graphics. With Snappa, they even have a bunch of templates for you to choose from, so you don't have to do all of the work necessarily. And then PaintNet is another good place to edit photos. Now, if we want to go into more advanced editing, we can use paid softwares, and this would include things such as Photoshop or Luminaire Neo. And with this one, it allows you to edit people's faces. Now, to advertise your photo editing services, you can use platforms such as Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. It's always good to have some example images and showcase your best work to get people to want to hire you. And to show that you are a reliable photo editor, it is always good to have good reviews. And in order to get some good reviews right off the bat, I would do some super easy work right away to get these people to rate you high. And then to determine how much you want your photo edits to cost, you can just look at what other people are charging within the same niche that you're in. So the next job that I found online is transcribing videos. So what transcribing videos is putting videos into words. For an example, GoTranscript.com is a place where you can do this. You can visit this site and join it as a transcriber. And monthly, you can earn around $1,200. And what you do is you just watch these videos and type what is being said. On Rev.com, you can make a little bit more per minute, and I'd suggest going this route if you just have little to no money and you want to build a base for having money. This is a good option. The next job I have is doing voiceover work. When you're doing voiceovers, it is important to have a good microphone. Now, the cheapest mic that I have found under $30 would be the Fifine K669B. And then the best one under $100 would be a Blue Yeti Nano. And with these microphones, you can just plug them into your computer and record that way. And then to get better sound quality, you can purchase foam panels on like Amazon, or you can record in just like a smaller area and use some blankets to make sure the sound quality is better. Audacity is a good software that you can use to edit your audio and make sure that it flows well and cut out all sorts of mistakes. And then you can put your voiceover services on places such as Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, Voices.com, or Backstage.com to ultimately bring your voiceovers to the next level, and they can use them in things such as movies, commercials, YouTube voiceovers, radio, or online courses. Companies are always going to need different types of voiceovers and different types of voices, so they're always constantly looking for this. And if you charge $50 for a 10-minute video, then if you make one video a month, you can be making around 1.5K in just 1 month. And just as a disclaimer, there are so many voiceover artists that are making over this amount of money. And then one of the best ways to be making money as a teen or when you're in school and don't have a lot of time is through selling knowledge. You could be making online courses on things that you know about or things that you want to know about it. And for example, I'm going to use my brother Make Money Matt. He has grown a business not through only YouTube channels, Faceless YouTube channels, but also through selling courses and selling knowledge. If you want to make $3,000 a month as a teenager, with your courses, you'll only need 6 sales if you're pricing these courses at around $450. And let me tell you, this is something that is easy and possible to do. And this is great if you just want to be a teacher and teach something that you are passionate about. When you're making these courses, you can utilize free resources such as Google Slides to make slideshows of knowledge, and then you can record these slides by using a software called OBS Studio. When you're using OBS Studio, you can do the voiceovers as well as screen recording these slides and going through and talking about what you're teaching. I would recommend having at least 30 videos in one course, as you want people to be getting their money's worth. And then when it comes to selling your courses, a free website called Udemy is a place that you can put your videos and they will sell your courses for you. And then when you can afford a place to sell your courses, I would suggest using Kajabi. And then this way you can keep all your courses in one spot and view your revenue all in one spot. And then you can promote your courses on places such as Instagram or YouTube or TikTok. And then we're going to be going into our last job, which is consulting, which is actually kind of similar to the one that I was talking about before, selling your knowledge. But instead of making these courses, you are actually going to be talking to people and informing them. And with this, you get paid per minute that you talk to people. On Clarity.fm, you can advertise your consultations. And then what you do is you simply just get on phone calls and talk to people and answer their questions. And I just want to say, you don't have to be very skilled in a certain area to do this. You just have to have a little bit more knowledge than the average person. And then finally, I'm just going to go over a plan that I generated in order to make the most money online. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find a skill and you're going to learn about it. And this could be a skill that you're interested in and a skill that is also doing well online. You could check out Udemy or Skillshare, and these are platforms that you can see what people want to learn about. You could also take a couple classes to learn about different skills or find courses through YouTube and free courses as well. Now, this could be about a multiple of things, such as editing videos, making websites, photography, all sorts of different types of things. And again, I want to stress that this is things that you are interested in, as this is going to be your work, but also things that are doing well. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to create a Faceless YouTube channel surrounding this niche and about this niche. Post videos here, and then eventually you're going to make a personal YouTube channel presenting your face, talking about this subject as well. And then you can generate courses that go in more depth than your YouTube videos. And then you can put these courses in the links of your YouTube videos. And then if courses aren't enough, you can also do consultations on the phone, teaching people more in depth. And that way, you'll have about 5 income streams right there, through YouTube ad revenue, through course revenue, through an affiliate income, through service revenue, and also through consulting revenue, if you want to combine all of those. So really, that's just kind of combining everything that I talked about into one big business. So all of these things kind of just work together and help each other grow. And there's also skills within these jobs that will help you grow personally and as a business. Okay, so that's going to be it for today. But if you want to learn how to potentially make money on YouTube without making YouTube videos, click on this link right here, as it'll go through 4 steps on exactly how to do so. See you there.